Today I'm going to show you how to fix it seems another app is blocking access to Google Play. You open Google Play Store, and when you're trying to install an application, they bring you an error in the down part. In the down part as you try to install the application via Google Play Store or trying to open it. Today I'm going to show you why and how to solve it. Normally it comes out the reason of having live wallpapers in the background or trying to have a lot of applications drawing over the screen. So all you have to do is open your phone settings and head on to that search area and input display over other apps. When you put that display over other apps, there comes this. So tap that option, and then all you're going to do is you're going to help me and deactivate any other apps that are displaying over other apps. Yes, as you can see, the screen scrolls and then shows you all those apps. Just make sure you tap on each of them and toggle each of them off. Toggle each of them off to avoid this error that normally comes up in Google Play Store, so that you can install your application without any other problem. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you picked fire in this video. So that's the trick. Turn off all those apps and install your app. See you next time.